Okay, we're now going to learn how to represent one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. Now it's usually recognized by the words out of, and out of, if you see that, it means divide. For example, if I get 43 out of 50 in a test, if I asked you to write that on the top of your paper, you would write it like that, 43 over 50, or divided by 50. And so that's all you do. So to change a fraction, once you've got your fraction, you just multiply it by 100% to get your percentage. So let's try the first question. I spend $25 out of, these are your keywords, of my birthday money. I got $125 for my birthday. What percentage did I spend? So first of all, you make your fraction. So it's 25 out of 125. And once you've got your fraction, you already know this, you multiply it by 100% to change it to a percentage. And you can do that on your calculator, and you should get 20%. So you spent 20% of your birthday money. Right, question 2. I want to buy a new pair of jeans worth $220. I put down a deposit of $80. There should be a U in there. What percentage of the total cost did I have for a deposit? So you put down a deposit of 80 out of the whole 220. So make your fraction 80 out of 220 and change it to a percentage. Use your calculator and you get something like 36.363636. Now here's a good lesson in rounding. If you have a repeated, 2 digits repeated, you can put a bar across it, or 2 dots. Let's use the bar. And so 36.36%. That means that is repeated ad infinitum. Or if you want to round it to 1 decimal place, 36 point. Now the 3, do you leave it as a 3 or do you change it to a 4? You look at the next digit. Because that's a 6, you change it to a 4. Okay, a little lesson in rounding in the middle. So let's look at question 3. At school, 6 out of the 15 girls in the class bought their lunch at the dining room. What percentage of the class bought their lunch? Now be careful that what they're asking you matches what they've given you. So, because sometimes they might say what percentage of the class did not bring their lunch. So be careful with that. So 6 out of 15 bought their lunch times 100 into your calculator, and you'll find that's 40%. Okay, last question. Move it down. I got 45 out of 65 for a test. You know how to write that. What percentage is this? Into your calculator and rounded to 1 decimal place, you should get 69.2%. Right, well done.